riders and motorcycle enthusiasts, welcome to Bearded Outlaw. Today will be a DIY session of how to change the clutch cable assembly on a Royal Enfield motorcycle. The only tool you will be needing is a 12 open wrench. So guys, Royal Enfield recommends to inspect the cable every 1000 kilometers and change if required. First step will be to loosen this adjuster nut, so you can see the cable assembly move. Then push, remove the cable. Once this is free on this end, remove this cable boot. Yes. So this is the cable boot. Take this off, and then unscrew this nut completely. So once the cable adjuster nut is removed, you can see the lever, it's free. Now we remove this end of the cable. Ta-da! So once the clutch cable button is free from the lever, you just pull this cable out. Yeah. All right. As I don't have a new cable and I'm doing this procedure for the sake of this video, I'll just use my old cable again. So unscrew this second cable adjuster nut completely so that it will be easy for you to put it through, and then put it through. Take it out from the other side. All right. Cool. Now carefully align the clutch cable button. Okay, can you bring the camera closer? Can you focus it from below? Yes, please. Thank you. So the clutch cable button is seated, and then you pull the cable outwards. And here, cool. Yes. So can you guys see it? Huh? All right. So it's now seated properly. The button is also seated. So now, show them the cable. This guy goes through here. Before that, we screw back the first cable adjuster nut. Can you see? Okay. Screw it completely, and then this guy goes through here. Guy is through. We put the second adjustment nut, screw it in. Yep. Make sure you don't forget to put this cable boot back. Just push it through. All right, and this button, you see, has to be slipped through this crevice. Can you see it from here? Okay, that's it. And final part is to adjust these two nuts so that there is only 2 mm free play. As you can see, so much free play is not good. So just about 2 mm, that would be so much. So I'm going to adjust. All right, I think so this should be 2 mm. Pull this guy. Okay. Tighten this end. Let us check. What do you think? 2 mm? Yeah, I think so. That's 2 mm. So the only tool, number 12 wrench. Tighten these two nuts. Adjust the boot, cable boot. That's all, folks, for today. Remember, you don't stop riding when you get old. You get old when you stop riding. Don't stop.